Ever heard of a VPN? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to buy a VPN. There are different VPNs. There is ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and we can see OpenVPN. But ExpressVPN happens to be the best because I've worked with it. It never leaks and it is very accurate. I know you're wondering what a VPN is. VPN is a virtual private network. It's a service that encrypts your activity on internet and keeps your identity hidden while browsing. So I got a referral from my friend. VPN has a referral program that once you refer a friend, you will get 30 days free. So you can see ExpressVPN. Here is your 30 days free from Dennis. Dennis is my friend. Your friend Dennis thinks that you might like VPN, wondering what you can do with VPN. Access the world of content with unlimited bandwidth and HD streaming. Bypass censorship whenever you are unlock all the sites, apps and services you want. Secure your internet connection on every device from phone to route to smart TV. Keep IP address and location private. Get 24-hour customer support. Are you ready to upgrade to online experience? Sign up today and get 30 days free. So I will sign up and get that 30 days free. Virtual private network is used to configure an IP address. Like maybe in case I have so ExpressVPN. It is very important. You said one of the reasons that you get it is keep your IP address and location private. So in case maybe like YouTube or maybe Netflix has different regulations in different countries, you find maybe like a certain software is not allowed to be used at a certain place on the globe. So what we normally do is you buy a VPN and you'll be able to get services from another location that had been buried because of geographical locality analytics. Thank you for sticking with me. This is lifestyle tutorials. Thank you for watching how to get 30 days free of ExpressVPN. Hurry up! I show in the description link. You click my link and you'll be able to also so that I may get additional 30 days free, and you'll also get yourself 30 days free by clicking my link and subscribing and paying for the initial package. This is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.